Yeah, namaste. I really enjoyed this course, which is a summary of the 4 Mahavakyas. Lalith Mahodaya explained this beautifully with the Padacheda, Tatparya, and also the detailed commentary of each verse. That was really amazing. And one more thing I liked was the question and answer session. His patience to answer the questions from all the attendees. I know some of us do not have much background in Vedanta, and I loved his patience in answering all the questions, even though some of them were very basic, but still he took a lot of time and effort to quote the references from other scriptures and explain it to all of us. So it was a wonderful course. I really enjoyed it. Thank you.